Ready? K&M time. Another unboxing. This one's from Teeblox. Let's see what we got today. Be a bit more gentle with that wrapping, I guess, right? So let's see, we have a t-shirt and we got a cool Marvel comic. Marvel Knights, Grant Morrison, Jay Lee, Fantastic Four, 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like a pretty interesting magazine, like a Marvel comic, Fantastic Four. That's awesome. Look at the package that they sent to me. It's nice. And I see something else in here that looks super cool. It is a Punisher pin. Punisher pin. And we have a, wow, Popeye shirt. And it wouldn't be a official, we didn't unbag it right and show it to you. So maybe Popeye's on there. I see Bruno, and no, they're all there. That's a badass shirt. Popeye shirt. It's an actual Popeye stamp on it, and it's a medium, 38 by 40, 100% cotton, 100% algodón, made in Honduras. Once again, a Popeye shirt, Punisher pin, and a Fantastic Four magazine from yours truly, Teeblox. I like it. Once again, another unboxing with K&M Time. Stay tuned for another unboxing, guys.